Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. Okay, so please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Pisces, this is your energy, Two of Swords. I'm seeing that you are being somebody who is very calm at this point of time. Okay, you are being somebody who does not want to see anything into your life. You are somebody who has a lot of emotions within themselves. Okay, you have emotion for a lot of people, for a lot of things, for your friends. Okay, but yes, when it comes to love angle, you have closed your heart. You have strongly closed your heart, and it seems like when if somebody approaches to you, or if somebody tries to be in your territory, you are not afraid to cut them out. And I think that you have done this thing in past as well. You are being very dangerous, Pisces. Alright, now we have Ace of Pentacles. So this is your partner's current energy. Your person is being somebody, or this person is being somebody who wants to start something new. Okay, this person wants to establish something new. It could be in your direction, it could be towards their financial abundance, it could be towards their professional and personal commitments. So something is there which they want to start. Okay, they can start a new relationship with you, they can propose you, they can do anything. So something new is arriving into their life with this Ace of Pentacles. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you, or what you feel about them and what they feel about you. So we have Seven of Swords. Pisces, you feel about this person as somebody who is a quitter, or somebody who easily escaped from their reality. Okay, this person is somebody who is afraid to commit. You see them as somebody who is afraid to confront. Okay, you see them as somebody who always moves out. Okay, whenever they come into your life, they create mess into your life and they just move out without even saying a single word, without even confronting anything, without even saying something. They just move out from your life. So you see them as somebody who's a big time loser. Okay, who doesn't know how to face the reality, who doesn't know how to face you. Alright, on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody King of Swords. I told you, you are being somebody who don't want anyone in your territory. You do not want any kind of emotional connection in your life. You are pretty much sure about it. So your person is seeing you as somebody who is a king with authority, king with power, king with wisdom. Okay, you know who is your well-wisher and who is your enemy. So you know what people think about you, you know what people talk about you. So you are being somebody who is calm, yet you have power in your hand. The sword is in your hand. That means the sword is always ready to take action. All right, you being somebody who never waits for any kind of approval, any kind of anything. Whenever you feel that this person is harming you and your energies or your loved ones or your mental peace, you immediately cut them out of your life without any regrets. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. We have Nine of Wands. Pisces, you know what? No matter how hard you are trying to control your emotions, no matter how hard you're trying to show yourself that, hey, I am the king of swords, but somewhere back in your heart and mind you are still afraid of failure, you are still afraid of rejection, you are still afraid of liars, you are still afraid of such people in your life who just come into your life and just move out without even saying a word, and that thing has made you really really fearful. There is a fear deep down in your heart that the moment you will take some action towards somebody, somebody will ditch you. Okay, that's why you are being somebody who is protecting your heart, your emotion, your energies. All right, this is the reason you are being very fearful and not taking any action towards this person or towards anything emotional. All right, on the other hand we have 10 of Pentacles, so I feel that this person has everything into their life, be it family, be it friends, be it emotion, be it financial abundance, be it materialistic things. They have everything, they have good home, they have good pets, but they are not, they are not really satisfied when it comes to emotion, because this person must have the best to best things into their life, the best to best relationships into their life. There is a time comes into their life, that time they feel alone, they feel empty, they feel void. This person is your person, this is your person, Pisces. Perhaps they must be feeling fearful, they are also fearful to confront their emotion in front of you. So no action is happening, or no action is seeing in this relationship. Let's see what you feel in this relationship, or how you see this relationship, and how they see this relationship. How you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. Four of Swords. See, I told you, you are being very fearful. Four of Swords, Six of Wands. This is your energy, this is your partner's energy. Pisces, you are being somebody who does not want to feel anything at this point of time in life. You are being somebody who don't want to take any action in terms of emotion, in terms of love, in terms of affection. Okay, so you are being somebody who is ignoring this topic of your life, that I don't want to think about any kind of emotional connection, any kind of love connection. Okay, I just want to take rest. Okay, I just want to invest my energies into something which is going to give me a long-term benefit, not on people like this. Okay, who in your eyes they are somebody who is a big time loser. Okay, so you are being somebody who is ignoring your emotions, who is ignoring your love life. All right, on the other hand we have Seven of Wands. This person must have a lot of options into their life, and they are being completely confused what to choose and whom to choose, and why they have to choose XYZ. This person must have lot of offer into their life. Okay, and they are taking their own time to to see which person can go with them, or with whom they can find an emotional connection, or emotional or love connection. All right, so they are being somebody who is at this point of time is being very choosy. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy, and then we'll see the future potential. What's the mutual energy? What is the mutual energy? Oh. What is the future potential? Can you see? We have 3 aces in this reading. So I'm 100% sure that something is about to start in your life, Pisces. In terms of finances, in terms of emotion, in terms of action. So mutual energy is this, that something new is about to start in both of your life, both of you, you and your partner. Perhaps you guys are not aware of such beginnings in your life, but yes, I'm seeing that both of you are going to start, something new is arriving into your life in terms of emotional connection or in terms of action. Perhaps the next person in your life or this person in your life is the one who is going to give you genuine emotion, and plus they are definitely going to take some solid steps towards you. All right, now future potential of this reading is 3 of Pentacles. I feel, Pisces, that it's you and them who is going to talk to your respective families about each other. Okay, some future plannings are happening for you, Pisces, in future. Okay, it's you and them who will be together in future and must be discussing about your future plan with each other, or you must be discussing about your wedding plans or future plans with your respective families and friends, or perhaps you guys must be taking some kind of a guidance from your own family members. All right, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. Oh god, 3 cards. Oh, okay. Within the next few months, perfect timing, you are ready. What is it? You need to wait for the perfect timing, okay? And when it comes to take action, angels are saying that you are ready. You need not to wait for anyone or for anything. And whatever you are going to do, or I mean whatever the divine has planned for you, you are going to see that thing within the next few months. Okay, so I feel, Pisces, within the next few months you are going to experience a new shift in your life. All right, okay. So Pisces, some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Ace of Cups. All right, with this, yes. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, with this 2 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 4 of Swords, and King of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Ace of Wands, 9 of Wands, and 7 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth sign, with this Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles. Alright, so Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.